Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the error RJ45 on chess.com. And to do so, it's very simple. Let's just explain what this error is and what it's caused by. So basically, it's very simple. It's just because you have a problem with your internet connection or a problem of connection between chess.com servers and your internet connection. So maybe there's VPN, a firewall, your internet is not working properly. So let's just solve that very easily. First, check your network. So see if your internet connection is working properly or not. And to do so, just go on Google and type speed test. And here you will have the speed test of your internet connection. If the speed test turns out great, you have a good amount of upload and download, then you're fine and you don't need to restart your router. If the speed test isn't working properly or the internet connection is not fine, just restart your router. As easy as it may seem, it can solve a lot of problems. Okay, so restart your router. If your internet is fine, go and clear your cache. This is the next step, and to do so, go to the three dots in the top right corner, go to the settings. Okay, this is Microsoft Edge, but it's the same for Google Chrome. So go to the search settings here and type cookies. So go to clear browsing data and click clear now. Okay, next thing you want to do is updating your browser. Maybe you have an old version of the browser, so maybe Internet Explorer or Firefox, the old version. So just update your browser and you will be able to play chess again. So just retry, you have nothing to lose. Just go on Google and type, for example, Microsoft Edge download. If you have the old version, okay, you can just install the new version and you'll be good. Next, you can disable your firewall if you have a downloaded firewall on your computer, not the Windows firewall. If you have a firewall that is installed, just do that step, go to your firewall, open the settings and allow your browser, okay? And check that chess.com is a secure website. And finally, guys, the most important step is to disable your VPN, okay? So if you are like me here and you are using a VPN, so if you go here in the extensions, you will find that if you are using a VPN, like me, I'm using NordVPN, okay? I'm connected to the French server. I have a virtual IP. It's not my real IP, and most websites detect that, so they won't allow you to use the website properly. So just pause your VPN or disconnect it completely and restart your computer and you should be good. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.